Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really handy Google Sheets trick that can save you tons of time, how to use the transpose formula. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to convert a vertical list into a horizontal row, perfect for when your data needs a new layout or you want to reformat it for a presentation or report. Let's dive right in with a simple step-by-step walkthrough. First, picture this, you've got a list of names going down a column in Google Sheets. Maybe it's team members, student names, or products. Whatever the case, your information is arranged vertically, one under the other in column A for our example. Picture the names Alice, Bob, Charlie, and Diana listed vertically from cell A2 down to A5, right under a header called Name in A1. Setting up your data like this is super common, and that's exactly where we'll start. Now let's talk about why you might want to flip this list from vertical to horizontal. Sometimes you need your data all in a row, for instance, to use as column headers to insert into a template or simply to fit better into a wider spreadsheet. Manually copying and pasting each item into the next column can get tedious and introduces the risk of mistakes, especially if your list is long. This is where the transpose formula becomes your best friend. So after you've entered your data in A1 to A5, the next step is to choose where you want the horizontal version to appear. Make sure you pick an empty spot in your sheet so you don't accidentally overwrite anything important. For this example, let's use cell C1. Go ahead and click on C1, that's where your row of names will show up. Now comes the magic part. With C1 selected, type in this formula exactly as you see it. Transpose A1 A5. Let's slow down for a moment. The formula starts with the equals sign, then the word transpose in all caps. The part in the parentheses A1 A5 tells Sheets exactly which cells you want to flip. This is just like telling Google Sheets, hey, take everything from A1 down to A5 and turn it sideways for me. After you've typed the formula, go ahead and hit enter. You might notice the sheet takes a second. Don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly, especially if you're working with a larger list. Once Google Sheets processes your request, you'll see all your vertical data instantly spread out as a horizontal row starting from the cell you selected. So in C1 you'll have name, then Alice in D1, Bob in E1, and so on. The great thing here is the formula creates a dynamic link. If you ever update the original column, for example, if you change Charlie to Charlotte in A4, your horizontal row will automatically reflect that change. No need for copy-paste gymnastics or worrying about outdated data. And that's really all there is to it. It's simple, elegant, and pretty satisfying once you see it work. If your list is much longer or your data isn't in A1, A5, just adjust the range in the formula to match your actual data, like equals transpose B2, B20. It works the same way, just make sure your target row is fully empty before you hit enter so nothing gets accidentally overwritten. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident working with different data layouts in Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this trick, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have questions or want to see more formulas in action, let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps me create the tutorials you need. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new tips for working smarter in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.